The name of MarginX is selected by the community and we like it because it's very easy to remember, easy to pronounce, and can represent our core value as well. The core value of MarginX can be divided into two parts. Firstly is ownership. We believe in the DAO or decentralized organization way. For the one who contributes to the ecosystems or the project, they should have a say or vote on the systems. We designed this system that allows all contributors, no matter you are traders, marketers, or builders, developers, all contributors will have their own dedicated NFT and the point systems that allows them to vote on the directions or the important matters on MarginX. The second will be community. We value our community a lot. Then we will take their advice and suggestions seriously. If you can see from the recent iterations and depth improvements, we took a lot of their advice in heart and then we implement it. First of all, transparency and fairness. Since everything is on-chain, users knows who is their counterparty and then they know their fund settlements and even the matching system. Everything can be traced on-chain. The MarginX system can assure that no one can touch your tokens except yourself. The other commitments we want to make is ownership. We want to make sure this is the land or this is a project. If you contribute something, you'll get something back. So if you are the core contributors or the contributors of MarginX, every steps or every efforts you put in, it will be rewarding. Yeah, there are a lot of differences between MarginX and other DEXs. First of all is obviously the fully transparency issues. We believe in everything should go on chain, not only transactions, not only matching, not only the fund settlements, not only the fund transfer, but it's everything. So we design it from the bottom through the end, from the order creations, cancellations, and even for the matching, until the fund settlements, even liquidations, everything's are on chain. We want to show everything, show our communities or the users everything's on the chain and be traceable and be transparent. This is, I think, the first differences. Secondly, structure-wise, MarginX itself is actually a chain, not a DApp. Unlike other DEXs on the market right now, they are just merely a DApp that built on other layer 1. So what does that means? That firstly is the transaction fee itself or the gas fee itself will be actually used by the MarginX native selected token. Nowadays we can customize to stablecoins or FX or other tokens you want. Then secondly, the scalability. So imagine right now you guys can build a fund management smart contract on BSC or Ethereum. Actually, that also applies to MarginX as well. Users or developers that can develop their own smart contract, their own fund management contract, or even a trading smart contract on MarginX. So MarginX is not only a decentralized exchange, but also a Trade5 ecosystems that allows developers to be able to plug in to MarginX ecosystems. So let's say today, users A, he's a banker or developer. He can develop his own strategies and deploy on MarginX mainnet because MarginX is a chain, it's not that. So they can plug into the liquidity pool of MarginX. Then that can attract more developers and users to be built upon these ecosystems. Thirdly, MarginX is very focusing on its community building. We value the feedback and suggestions from community. And we even have designed a system that dedicated for our builders and contributors, allows them to contribute, allows them to have a say, to vote for the changes, the building, and even the structures of the whole MarginX. The other thing I would like to mention is the multi-chain structures of MarginX. Because MarginX is a subnet of multi-chain structures, basically each pair or trading pair like BTC, FX, or Apple, Tesla, they are all operating isolated, which means that if there's one day there's a malicious attack on Bitcoin chain, BTC chain, it won't affect a FX chain. So the collapse of one chain won't affect the other. First of all, I would say it's energetic. MarginX itself keep iterating and improving. So you can see from version 1 alpha testing to beta testing until the mainnet. Not only the interface, but also the wallets and even the Explorer. Second, I think would be open. MarginX is also very humble to take in suggestions or advice from our community members, and we actually take it very seriously. So you can see there are a lot of features suggested by our community has been implemented. I think the other one would be fair. MarginX will try its best to make sure everyone, no matter you are institutions, retailers, or sophisticated traders or newbie, we will make sure everyone is on the same starting line.